What is racism?
People all over the world look different than one another. Some people have dark skin, some people have light skin. Some people talk different languages, some people wear different clothes. It's okay to be different. Our world would be boring if everyone was the exact same. Some people do not like that others look, talk, or act differently than them. Some people are mean and treat people who are different than them unfairly. That is called racism. Racism is not okay. Racism is hurtful. When people are treated poorly because they are a different race or color, it makes them feel sad and angry. All people want to feel safe, understood, and loved. There are many things you can do to make people of different colors feel loved and happy. You can be a good listener and learn about their culture and history. You can use your voice to speak up when you see something that is wrong. You can buy products and support businesses that are owned by people of color. It is important to respect and love all humans no matter what they look like. I cannot control what others might say or do, but I can control my attitude and actions. I choose to be nice to everyone no matter what color they are. I can stand up for my friends if they are being treated unfairly. Using my voice and having a good attitude shows my friends that I care and respect them.
The end.